Hey everyone, welcome back to Studio by EduSquad. Today's topic is all about keeping your digital classroom buzzing with engagement. But let's face it, not all students learn the same way. Some love visuals, others crave interaction, and some just need to get up and move. So, how do we cater to everyone in this digital learning environment? Fear not, educators, because I have got some tips and tricks to keep your students of every learning style engaged and excited to learn. First up are visual learners. These folks thrive on seeing information presented in a clear and captivating way. Here's how to transform your classroom into a visual feast with the help of EduSquad Studio setup. Instead of slides packed with text, ditch the projector and dusty whiteboard. EduSquad's digital panels allow you to create engaging lessons using infographics, mind maps, and high-quality images that break down into concept into a visual, stimulating way. These interactive boards let you to create dynamic lessons on the fly. You can use the stylus to draw diagrams in real life, showcase captivating videos or animations directly on the panel, and even integrate them with the document camera to display close-up views of objects or experiments. Now let's talk about auditory learners. They learn best by hearing information presented clearly and engagedly. Here's how to make your digital classroom a symphony of learning with EduSquad Studio solutions. The power of your voice. Vary your tone, use storytelling, and ask captivating questions to keep your auditory learners hooked. But don't forget the tech. EduSquad Studio setups often include high-quality microphones that ensure your voice is crystal clear and even in a remote learning environment. You can also encourage group discussions and activities that allow students to share their understandings and learn from each other. EduSquad breakout room features in video conferencing platforms can facilitate these discussions, fostering a collaborative and engaging learning experience. For once, consider incorporating podcasts or audiobooks into your lessons to cater to auditory learners who may prefer listening to information. EduSquad Studio setups can be used to record high-quality audio for your own podcast or educational resources. Third number in the list, we have kinesthetic learners. Learn by doing. And finally, we have our kinesthetic learners. These students thrive by getting up and moving, experiencing things firsthand. But how do we keep them engaged in a digital space with EduSquad solutions? Get your students moving. Use interactive quizzes with polls displayed on your EduSquad digital panel. Have them stand up and act out of a concept in breakout rooms, or incorporate virtual field trips that explore different environments. Utilize EduSquad's video conferencing features to create breakout rooms for group projects and activities that require collaboration, movement, engagement, anything. Make learning fun with educational games or simulations that engage students kinesthetically and reinforce concepts. Many educational games and simulations are now designed for online learning environments only, and some can even be projected onto your EduSquad digital panel for a more interactive experience. So there you have it. A few simple ways to cater all the learning styles in your digital classroom, all powered by the innovative solution from EduSquad. Remember, the key is to create a dynamic learning environment that provides a variety of ways for students to engage with the material. With a little creativity and the power of EduSquad tools, you can unlock the potential of every student in your digital classroom. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy teaching!